Oh hi! I'm Shanna. Nice to meet you. Though it's my first time seeing you, I'd like to share something very important and personal. I think I'm in love with Korea! Though I've never been there before, I see, hear, and feel Korea every day in almost everything that I do. I jumpstart my mornings by listening to happy Korean songs. Jamming to feel-good music definitely sets my mood every single day. After work and on my days off, I de-stress by watching my favorite Korean variety shows. I roll on the floor laughing when Junho and Jongmin banter. I love it when Youngja hits her boys with her pillow. Poink, poink, poink. And I would watch any show that has Yoo Jae-suk in it. He's just very entertaining. I watch all episodes of Gag Concert and I end up using their antics in my everyday life. 안돼요. Yeah. 목소리 아니야. 브라운이 뭐라. Of course, my family and friends could not really understand. But I still do them anyways. But those are just some basic facts to show how I love Korea. I'd like to show you more traces of Korea in my city, in my country, and in my life. Let's go ahead and check my Instajang, shall we? Yes, you heard it right. It's Instajang. First things first, food. Every Korean restaurant visit is a feast. Banchan, 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 banchan. Ah, it's super 맛있어요. 맛있다. Every Korean feast brings out the beast in me. Of course, when I can't eat out, I also cook my own Korean food at home. I can't guarantee it's authentic and it's good, but I really try my very best. Of course, skincare and cosmetics. Korean cosmetic brands spread like wildfire in my country. And thank God they came to the Philippines, because if they didn't, I would still look like this. Let's get rid of that. These are some of the products that I own and I regularly use. BB cream, and another BB cream, gloss liner and some mascara, face mask, face mask, face mask, face mask, and more face masks. Let's not forget about the samples. Korean beauty trend has inspired me so much that I even made some videos based on some K-pop idols' looks. And speaking of K-pop idols, I finally met a legit Korean idol group in my city, and this was our first encounter. I was just standing at the stairs looking at the sea of people, and then suddenly... And when I looked behind me... mini heart attack. It was just so deba! Like their presence was just so deba! I was definitely starstruck, but I'm not the only one. Smell the love for K-pop. The crowd went totally wild. What if bigger K-pop idol groups visit my city? That would totally bring the house down. Please visit my city. Come to Davao City, Jebal. Oh, throwback Thursday entry. At that time, I was brave enough to record my dancing. What was I thinking? I was not born to be a dancer. I'm pretty sure of that. But I know a few, no. I know a lot of people who were born to perform and were blessed by the K-pop gods. This small city, deep in the heart of Mindanao Island of the Philippines, is a home to passionate and inspiring people whose lives were profoundly touched by Korea in music, culture, and in spirit. And there you go. That's how we love Korea, and I can't wait to be there soon. And by the way, don't forget to follow me on Instajang. 알았어? Okay, 감사합니다. 안녕.